Okay, we're making some sauce, and I already started. So I already put avocado oil and a little tiny bit of grapeseed oil and olive oil. So it was mostly avocado oil and olive oil, and this was the olive oil that I used. And then I also put a squirt of agave in there. Now I'm gonna add 1 habanero with the seeds removed. It's less spicy that way, but it's still gonna be super spicy. I'm gonna put some olives. This is an experiment. Put some hemp seeds. Should be plenty spicy, but put some salt. A little bit of onion powder. Got some thyme that I grew. Jimmy! This is gonna be strange. I don't know if it's gonna be good. If it is good, then I'll cut that out. This is gonna be awesome. Right, Josh? Oh wow, I should have ground the sesame seeds first. Oh man, what is this? Oh, it smells like really good salad dressing. Ooh, this might be amazing salad. How much hemp seeds do you put in hemp mayo? You just keep adding it? Oh my god, it tastes like pasta salad. It tastes like pasta salad paste. It tastes so much like pasta salad. It's pasta salad. I added olives to it. Needing more. Well, it's pretty thick, super thick. I think it's thick enough to be sauce. I'm gonna do it one more time. Still see whole. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. If you like this and you're trying to go alkaline for your health or for whatever reason, I have a brand new Alkaline Life transformation program that I just released, and you can check it out here. There's a link in the description for my free group where I share a lot of information. The first few people are getting a major discount. So definitely reach out to me right away. If you're an action taker, then I'll see you in the group and I'll see you in the program.